What makes you eligible for adjustment of status in the US immigration system? Have you ever wondered what it takes to adjust your status in the United States? This process can be a bit tricky, but understanding the eligibility requirements is key. Let's break it down step by step. First, you need to be physically present in the United States when you apply for adjustment of status. This means you cannot be outside the country during this process. You must also have entered the United States legally. This means you were inspected and admitted by an immigration officer, usually with a valid visa or through parole. Even if your visa has expired, as long as you entered legally, you may still qualify. Next, an immigrant visa must be available to you at the time you apply. If you are an immediate relative of a United States citizen, like a spouse or an unmarried child under the age of 21, you always have a visa available. For other categories, you will need to check the visa bulletin to see if a visa is available before applying. You also need to qualify under a specific immigrant category. This could be through family-based petitions, employment-based petitions, or even asylum or refugee status. Each category has its own requirements, so it's important to know where you fit in. Another important factor is admissibility. You must not have any disqualifying issues such as certain criminal records or health-related problems. If you do have something that makes you inadmissible, you might need to apply for a waiver to move forward. It's also essential to maintain your eligibility throughout the adjustment process. If your situation changes, such as losing your immigrant petition approval or becoming inadmissible, it could impact your application. Certain actions can bar you from adjusting your status. This includes unauthorized employment or being unlawfully present in the United States. However, there may be exceptions based on individual circumstances. When you are ready to apply, someone, often a family member or employer, must file an immigrant petition for you. After that is approved and a visa is available, you will file Form I-485, which is the application to adjust your status. For Latino families navigating this process, understanding these requirements is vital. Many families qualify through close relationships with United States citizens or lawful permanent residents. It's crucial to ensure lawful entry and maintain your status to avoid complications. Adjustment of status allows you to stay in the United States while your application is processed. You can work legally with the right authorization and even include your spouse and unmarried children under the age of 21 in your application. This can provide a sense of stability and security for families seeking permanent residence without having to leave the country for visa processing.